Is there a best way to start a YouTube video? I mean, is there something that you can do at the beginning of every episode to make your videos better? I film hundreds of YouTube episodes every month for my clients, and this is the main coaching that I provide, is how to start your YouTube episodes. So I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. Hey there, I'm Nate Woodbury, currently producer of 10 daily YouTube channels. I'll name a couple of them. First one is Chris Crone Limitless TV. Chris and I started that channel from scratch, and we're now approaching 370,000 subscribers, and it's doing very well. That one is bringing in over $400,000 per month. Another one that you could look up, it's really fun, is Live on Purpose TV with Paul Jenkins. Lots of parenting topics, lots of relationship topics. We started that one about a year ago. Just over a year ago, it had 235 subscribers. We're now up to 50,000 subscribers. And one thing that we pay attention to at the beginning of every episode is how to start it, starting it the right way. And I started this episode that way. There are two ingredients. One, you've got to tell the viewer what the video is about. Okay? Pretty simple, but that's half the battle. You got to tell people what the video is about. Now, as a side note, I do keyword research before filming. Okay, I talk about this in a lot of my other episodes. I do keyword research to find the questions people are asking about my skill set, about my subject matter. And then I title the video that question. So then I'm using YouTube search to pull in my target audience. They are searching for these topics, and now I'm answering their questions. So when I start out the episode and I tell them what the video is about, they know that they found what they're searching for. Okay. What's ingredient number two? Well, you've got to give them a why. Why should they watch? What's in it for them? They know what the video is about, but should they really watch this video, or should they go find another video on the same topic? You know, why should they watch this one? So you can give them a little bit of credibility. You can tell them the outcome. Okay, so maybe I'll demonstrate. So at the beginning of this episode, I told you what the video is about, that we're going to talk about how to start every YouTube episode. And then I told you what's going to happen, that I've got some experience, and by watching this video, you're going to learn how to do what I do. So let's just give a few examples. Let's say the topic of your video is how to get rid of strep throat without antibiotics. So this is how I might start that episode. Hey there, welcome back. Do you have strep throat? Yeah, that's no fun. And typically the only way that we've heard of that we can get rid of strep throat is with antibiotics. Well, in this episode, I'm going to share with you a remedy of how to get rid of strep throat without antibiotics. Okay, so I kind of did that in reverse there. I'm just making it up as I go, but I really had a conversation. I talked to them. It's like, you've got this problem. And yeah, we're stuck. We've only got this solution. Well, I've got the remedy, and I'm going to teach you. And then I told what the video is about. So maybe there's an example for you. Okay, here's another example. Welcome back. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to invest in real estate with no money. Is it possible? Well, I do that all the time. I actually just bought a property last week using no money of my own. I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. Okay, so I said what the title of the video is. That would be one of Chris's topics, right? I said what the title of the video was, and then I gave a little bit of credibility. Hey, I've done this, and in fact, I did it a week ago, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So it really just wow. Okay, I know what the topic of the video is, how to do this, but I'm going to learn exactly how. Yeah, I've got to watch this, right? It really creates that compelling desire that I've got to watch it. This is for me. All right, here's another example. We'll do a veggie dip sauce video that we recently did. Hey, welcome back. I have an amazing recipe that I discovered for a veggie dip that has so many healthy ingredients, but one. It's got a ton of olive oil. So we're going to do an experiment. We've got 4 different replacements that we're going to use in place of the olive oil and see which one tastes best. So in that one, I told them what the video is about. I told them it's a recipe of a veggie dip sauce, and then I let them know we're going to be doing an experiment and find out which one is best. And so it kind of creates curiosity as wow, I want to know. I want to know what the secret ingredient is. Does that make sense? So that's what you got to do. It's as simple as that. At the beginning of every episode, tell people what the video is about, and then make sure they have a compelling reason why they should watch it. If you enjoyed this video, then you know what to do. You can like it, you can comment below. Comments actually really help, so if you want to help me out in this channel and return the favor, then comment below. We'll see you in the next episode.